what if I tell you that there is a university which has low tuition and living cost, high quality education, and is located in a safe and student friendly city, have personalized support, and have small class sizes, and is nearby Moscow? Yes, you heard it right. This university has it all. From tuition fee to hostel life and their FMG passing rate. We are going to cover all of it. So if you want to know more about this university, watch this video till the end. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Hello future doctors, welcome back to my channel. Today in this very particular video, we are going to talk about one of the most reputed universities of Russia, Tver State Medical University. This university was established in 1936 and has trained thousands of doctors till now. As we all know that Russia is the largest country in the world and its capital city is Moscow. Tver is a beautiful historical city located just close to Moscow, and it is home to Russia's one of the most oldest and reputed medical university, Tver State Medical University. In terms of global reputation, TSMU holds a world rank of 9,457 and is ranked 311 in Russia. And of course, this university is globally approved by WHO, NMC and the Ministry of Health of Russia, which means that you can practice in India or anywhere in the world after doing your MBBS from this university. This university has advanced medical halls, computer rooms and renovated classrooms with centralized heaters or centralized ACs. And they even have dedicated anatomy labs. There is also a huge library for you students to study tension-free, hassle-free. TSMU offers a high-quality education to its students, and all thanks to their experienced professors and medical specialists. Do you want to know what's more impressive? It's that their clinical rotation starts from second year onwards, where students get hands-on clinical exposure on real-life patients. So that means not only theoretical knowledge but practical knowledge also. The course duration is 6 years, that is 5 plus 1 year, 1 year of mandatory internship in one of their own hospitals. Now let's talk about a very important point, and that is their FMG passing rate. Their FMG passing rate is considered good compared to many foreign universities. This means in TSMU, students are better prepared for any foreign licensing exam. Now let's talk about their hostels. So TSMU have 5 hostels which are well furnished, highly equipped with all the essential amenities. And for Indian students, here's the best part. They offer Indian food. The hostel costs you around 1 lakh per year and mess charges are 8,000 to 10,000 per month. The tuition fee costs you around 3.5 lakh per year, which is quite affordable compared to the Indian private colleges. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So it's very basic. To apply, you must be NEET qualified. You must have 50% marks in your physics, chemistry and biology in your 12th. And you have to appear for an entrance exam which includes your physics, chemistry and biology. This university offers their entire education in English, so there is no language barrier for you. Now let's talk about how to apply. So there is a link given in my description where you just have to click and apply. Apply through Select Your University. Select Your University is an educational organization which is out there from the last 14 plus years, and they have sent over 2,000 students till now to study MBBS abroad. And the best part, they don't charge anything at all for their consultation. So free consultation for you all. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the link given in my description and apply. So this was the complete guide for Tver Medical State University in Russia. If you are considering MBBS abroad, this is a solid choice for you. And if you want to explore other options, I have uploaded so many videos till now in my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and Select Your University's channel for upcoming videos. And drop your comments, drop your queries in the comment section, and I will answer all of them for you. Till then, keep studying, keep dreaming. Thank you for watching.